I'll be discussing to you Northwind Global City, a Mega World Township here in Bulacan. So this is the facade of Northwind Global City once na ma-finished siya. So NGC is located here in between Marilao and Bukawe, Bulacan. So we have different access roads. So if you're coming from Metro Manila, you can easily access Northwind Global City through North Luzon Expressway. So this is the northbound of North Luzon Expressway going to Pampanga, northern part of Luzon. And this side naman is the southbound of NLEX. So here is the master development plan of Northwind Global City. So the residential condo that we're offering right now is 9 Central Park, which is on this block number 9. So block 9 siya sa Northwind Global City. So going back to the entry point, so number 1 is the NLEX and second is the Socorro Road going to the MacArthur Highway. So ito yun. If you're coming from Metro Manila also, you can use the North-South Commuter Railway station here in Northwind Global City. So the North-South Commuter Railway is a government project that will connect Laguna and Clark in Pampanga. So this railway project will be, of course, advantage for all clients and guests who will come here or for the residents of the Laguna area to Pampanga. So dito yan sa west side of Northwind Global City. So again, access points is NLEX, and then we have here the Socorro Road connecting to MacArthur Highway. So kung ayaw mag-expressway or hindi galing sa expressway, dito sa Socorro Road from MacArthur Highway. May mga connecting roads pa tayo in the future that will connect the Bukawe area of Northwind Global City. Okay, so take note of that. So what's in Bulacan? Why it's good to invest now in Bulacan area? So ang tinitingnan lang natin always, guys, are the developments. Ano-ano yung mga major developments in Bulacan. And isa na doon si North-South Commuter Railway. Transportation, hubs, and infrastructure projects by the government has a huge impact sa zonal value ng bawat location dito sa Philippines. So, kapag ka may mga expressway, may mga tren na dinedevelop, ay ibig sabihin nun, maganda mag-invest sa area. Accessibility is very important. So, Bulacan is the northern gateway of Metro Manila. It is classified as the first-class province, top LGU with highest grossing income, number 3 for provinces with generated highest income, and the real estate here, according here, is heading up and considered as one of the top 8 investment locations year 2020 and one of the top 9 places to live in. So those are the reasons na pwede nyong i-pitch to your clients itong why we should invest in Bulacan. Ay, minsan sasabihin nila malayo na sa Metro Manila, ganyan. So ngayon, kapag bakit Bulacan? Ang layo ng Bulacan. So make sure na masabi nyo to na, ma'am, it's classified as first-class province, one of the top 9 places to live in, and the real estate in Bulacan is heading up already. So, why is it ideal investment here in Bulacan? Of course, strategic location. NLEX pa lang, panalo na sila. Very accessible. Like, sobrang dali lang ng biyahe natin from Metro Manila, di ba? We use the Skyway, then North Luzon Expressway. Ilang minutes lang, nandito na agad tayo sa Northwind Global City. So, very strategic yung location. So, isa yun sa pwede nyong i-pitch. Pwede nyo yun i-highlight on your reels na ang Bulacan or the Northwind Global City is situated talaga na accessible siya. So, very strategic yung location niya. Hindi na siya babiyahe pa paloob na malayo. So, accessible siya through North Luzon Expressway. And maraming infrastructure projects. For example, the North-South Commuter Railway. And marami din namang tourist spot dito sa Bulacan. Yeah. So, and of course, highlight natin yung effective government partnership with the private companies. And highly productive human resources. So for sure, with the development of Northwind Global City, and with all of these developments in the future, ay of course magbo-boom yung corporate world dito sa Northwind Global City. Maraming employments na mapoproduce, and those employments or yung mga tao na yon can be our target market also, especially for residential condominiums na pinapa long-term or short-term rents. Okay, so take note of these infrastructure projects, everybody. We have the New Manila International Airport. Ma'am, bakit maganda mag-invest dito sa Bulacan? Because we will be having a new airport here. So, sa Bulacan yun, sa may coastal area ng Bulacan, tinatayo yung New Manila International Airport. This is 17 kilometers away through MacArthur Highway. Pero I'll be discussing to you later na meron tayong binubuong airport expressway to shorten the travel time from the airport, from the New Manila International Airport to here in NLEX na connected to Northwind Global City. So this is number 1. Isa ito sa mga malaking pitch or biggest pitch ko sa client na may bagong airport sa Bulacan. That's the reason why you should invest here. My first ever sale in Bulacan is my repeat client din. Na naniwala siya na, okay, maganda, malapit sa bagong airport. Kasi ide-decongest na yung NAIA eh. So yung ibang flights ay dito na ilalagay sa Bulacan para mas konti yung nandun sa Metro Manila, ay sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Di ba yung ibang flights din nasa Clark na? Diba? So, dinadivert na nila yung ibang flights para ma-decongest yung traffic dun sa NAIA.